Are you looking for a vacation but don't know where to go? Look no further, because I'm going to show you 10 must-see places in Portugal that will make your jaw drop. Hey there, the traveling chicken, and today I'm going to show you some of the most beautiful places in Portugal that you absolutely have to see. This country is full of history and natural wonders, so if you're looking for an unforgettable vacation, be sure to check out these destinations. Before we take off on this virtual vacation, don't forget to subscribe, and be sure to hang around to the #1 spot as it will surprise you. Now let's go! Number 10. Madeira Island, located off the coast of Africa. This island is known for its lush vegetation and subtropical climate. Madeira Island is a Portuguese island located in the North Atlantic Ocean, southwest of Portugal. The island is approximately 620 square miles and is made up of 2 mountainous volcanic islands connected by a narrow strip of land. Madeira Island is popular with tourists for its mild climate, rugged landscape, and quaint towns. The capital city of Funchal is home to a number of museums, galleries, and restaurants, as well as the famous cable car ride that takes visitors from the city center up to Monte Palace Tropical Garden. Outside of the capital, there are plenty of opportunities for hiking, biking, and birdwatching. Madeira Island is also known for its wine and embroidery industry. Visitors can take a tour of one of the many vineyards or participate in an embroidery workshop. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Madeira Island has something to offer everyone. Number 9. Evora, an ancient walled city that was once a Roman outpost in Portugal. Evora is a city in Portugal that is rich in history and culture. The city is located in the central part of the country, and its location has helped to shape its geography. Evora is located on a plateau, and the city is surrounded by mountains. This location gives Evora a mild climate, and the city is known for its olive trees and vineyards. Evora is also home to many attractions, including the Roman Temple of Diana, the Aqueduct of Silver Water, and the Cathedral of Evora. The city is a popular tourist destination, and its attractions make it a wonderful place to visit. Number 8. Braga. Braga is considered one of Portugal's most religious cities due to all the churches and cathedrals here. Nestled in the northwest corner of Portugal, the city of Braga is a hidden gem just waiting to be discovered. Surrounded by stunning mountains and green valleys, Braga is known for its picturesque location and mild climate. Although it is the 3rd largest city in Portugal, Braga has a small-town feel, with narrow streets and quaint shops lining the cobblestone sidewalks. Travelers can explore a variety of historical attractions, including the Bom Jesus do Monte Sanctuary, an iconic staircase lined with statues of angels, the Cathedral of Braga, one of the oldest and most important cathedrals in Portugal, and the Palácio dos Pasquinhos, a beautiful 18th-century palace that now houses a museum. With so much to see and do, Braga is the perfect destination for travelers who are looking to get off the beaten path and explore a truly unique corner of Europe. Number 7. Coimbra, home to one of Europe's oldest universities, was founded in 1290. Coimbra is a historic city in Portugal that sits on the banks of the Mondego River. The city is home to a renowned university and a number of important historical landmarks. It is also known for its picturesque location, with well-preserved medieval architecture and stunning views of the river and surrounding countryside. Coimbra has something to offer visitors of all interests, making it one of Portugal's most popular tourist destinations. Number 6. The Douro Valley is home to some of the world's best vineyards and wine tastings. Nestled amidst the picturesque mountains of northern Portugal, the Douro Valley is one of the country's most beautiful regions. The valley is best known for its vineyards, which produce some of Portugal's finest wines. However, there is much more to the Douro Valley than just wine. The region's location and geography make it a perfect place for outdoor activities like hiking and kayaking. And there are plenty of historic and cultural attractions to explore as well. Whether you're looking for a relaxing vacation or an adventurous getaway, the Douro Valley has something to offer everyone. Number 5. Aveiro, often called the Venice of Portugal because of its canals and bridges. Aveiro, Portugal is a coastal city located in the central region of the country. The city is known for its distinctive canals and colorful houses, which have earned it the nickname the Venice of Portugal. Aveiro is also home to a number of interesting museums and monuments, as well as a lively nightlife scene. Visitors to Aveiro can enjoy plenty of activities, from exploring the city's waterways to checking out its many shops and restaurants. Whether you're looking for a relaxing getaway or an action-packed vacation, Aveiro is something to offer everyone. Number 4. Porto, located in the north of Portugal, this city is famous for its wine production. Porto is a city in northern Portugal that is known for its port wine and its lively atmosphere. The city is located on the Douro River, and its location has helped to make it a major transportation hub throughout history. The riverfront area is filled with historic buildings and monuments, and the city's hilly location provides panoramic views of the surrounding area. Porto is also home to a number of attractions, including the Palácio da Bolsa, the Serralves Foundation, and the Portuguese Cinematheque. Whether you're interested in history, art, or just enjoying a glass of port wine, Porto has something to offer everyone. Number 3. Sintra. Sintra is known for its fairy tale palaces and castles, like the Pena National Palace. Sintra is a small town located just outside of Lisbon, Portugal. The town is situated in a hilly region and is known for its cool, mountaintop location. Sintra's geography and location make it a popular tourist destination, as it offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. The town is also home to a number of historical attractions, including the Sintra National Palace and the Castle of the Moors. In addition, Sintra is known for its vibrant nightlife and lively culture. Visitors to the town can enjoy a variety of activities, from exploring the historic landmarks to dancing the night away at one of the many nightclubs. Whether you're looking for history or fun, Sintra has something to offer everyone. Number 2. The Algarve Coast. The Algarve Coast is a popular tourist destination for its beautiful beaches and dramatic cliffs. The Algarve Coast is located on the southern coast of Portugal. With its temperate climate and beautiful scenery, the Algarve has long been a popular tourist destination. The coast is home to numerous beaches, as well as a number of small islands. The largest city in the Algarve is Faro, which is also the regional capital. Other major towns include Albufeira and Portimão. In addition to its sandy beaches and clear waters, the Algarve is known for its historic sites and buildings. The region's history can be traced back to the Phoenicians, who founded the city of Tavira in the 9th century BC. visitors to the Algarve can also enjoy its many golf courses, tennis courts, and other recreational facilities. With so much to see and do, it's no wonder that the Algarve Coast is one of Portugal's most popular tourist destinations. Coming in at number 1 is Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. This city is a mix of old and new with its narrow streets and colorful buildings. Lisbon, Portugal is a beautiful coastal city that has a lot to offer visitors. Its location on the Atlantic Ocean makes it a popular spot for beach lovers, and the city also has a rich history and culture. Lisbon is home to many different attractions, including the Castelo de São Jorge, which is a castle that was built in the 11th century. The city also has a number of museums, including the Museu Nacional de Arte Antiga, which is one of the largest art museums in Europe. Lisbon is an interesting city to visit because it offers a mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. And, of course, no visit to Lisbon would be complete without trying some of the delicious Portuguese food. Portugal is a land of stunning beauty and diverse landscapes. From the rolling hills of the Beiras to the rocky cliffs of the Algarve, there's something for everyone in Portugal. If you haven't had a chance to explore this amazing country yet, be sure to add it to your list. And when you do visit, make sure to check out some of these must-see places. Did we miss any of your favorite spots in Portugal? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.